Hello, my name is Fritz and welcome to today's tutorial titled Difference of Two Squares. The difference of two squares. When you multiply a number by itself, you get a square number. For example, we have 1, 4, 9, 16, x squared and a squared. These are all square numbers, and subtracting a square from another square gives a difference. This difference is called the difference of two squares. Let us take some examples. For example, 9 minus 16 is a difference of a square and a square, so it's difference of two squares. We equally have x squared minus a squared. We have 1 minus 4y squared. These are examples of differences of two squares. And these differences can be easily written in the factorized form as, for the first case, we have this number 9 minus 16, which can be factorized as you take the square root of the first number, you take the square root of the second number, and you put in separate brackets. And in these brackets, one is positive and one is negative, as we observe. So we have 3 minus 4 times 3 plus 4. So we have two brackets. In the first bracket, we have the square roots of both square numbers. One bracket is positive and the other one is negative. The next number is x squared minus a squared. So in the brackets, we're going to be having x and a, and we use one to be positive and make the other one to be negative. We have 1 minus 4y squared. In this case, we have the square root of 1, which is 1, square root of 4 is 2, and the square root of y squared is y. So we have 1 minus 2y times 1 plus 2y's. Let us take more examples. We have 4 minus 9x squared. In this case, we will have 4 minus 3x times 4 plus times 2 plus 3x, because the square root of 4 is 2. And x to the power 4 minus a to the power 2. Note that the square root of x to the power 4 is x to the power 2. So you have x to the power 2 minus a times x to the power 2 plus a. And for the last example, this one is a bit tricky. You have 2 minus 8y squares. In this case, the first thing you have to do is to do factorization, and you see that 2 is common. When you factor out the 2, you'll be left with 1 minus 4y squared. And this will give us 2 into 1 minus 2y times 1 plus 2y, and it's in the complete factorized form. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe as more videos will be coming up. Thank you and bye bye.